So this voice recognition module can detect your voice commands offline and that too in any language you want. Namaste.
How can I help?
Light on karo.
Done.
Light off karo.
Doing it.
And well, if humans are not enough, well, it can also detect your pet's voice and do the action.
How can I help?
So this is the Gravity offline voice recognition module from DFRobot, and spoiler alert, this is definitely better than the VC02 module according to me. And no, you don't need to believe it directly. Rather, in this video, I'll be comparing the DFRobot's module with the AiThinker's module, taking several factors into consideration, and later will give you the detailed conclusion about which module you should choose for your application. So this is a mixture of a getting started video and a comparison video. So there is a lot to learn in this single video, and let me tell you, this video is not at all sponsored by either DFRobot or AiThinker, so this will be completely an unbiased comparison. But that doesn't mean we do not have any sponsor. Well, we do have a sponsor of this video, so let's hear from them and later we'll start our journey. This video is sponsored by LTM, and you know what? LTM not just provide world-class PCB designing software, but with LTM 365, they are helping us with the complete electronics product development with really useful collaborative tool. Let me explain how it helps. For example, if you are reviewing a schematic and want to ask a specific detail about the design to, let's say, your software team, well, you can do that here. And later, they'll get an email where they can open the design in a web browser, and they can also get easy access to datasheet of the component to get further information, and later they can update you everything on the same page. In addition, when you send your PCB design to manufacturer, even they can comment down the issues like if the wires are too close to the pad. Even they can search for any specific component or a path like VCC3, and later they can visualize it in 3D to ensure complete accuracy before manufacturing begins. Really useful, isn't it? And you know what's the best part of watching this ad? Well, if you click my link provided in the description of this video, you will not only get the access to free trial version, but you can also get flat 25% off on the license purchase. So do check out the link provided in the description, and now let's move ahead with our video. Starting with the box content of both the products, then both the DFRobot and AiThinker module comes with their dedicated board, microphone and speaker all together in one single package. And now let me tell you, both these modules are available for sale on our website techiesms.com, whose purchase link is down in the description. So do buy this module from our website, and with this, you will be indirectly supporting our free educational videos. And here, now talking about the plus point of DFRobot, then this module comes with two built-in microphones for better detection of voice in noisy environments as well. So that was all about the box content, and now let me tell you how many commands each module can accommodate in it. So this module from DFRobot got a capacity of 138 voice commands, in which 121 are the fixed voice commands which we cannot change it, and 17 are such voice commands which we can customize it the way we want. Additionally, it also got two WakeUp commands, out of which one is the fixed WakeUp command and second is the WakeUp command, which we can again customize the way we want. Moreover, it also got 9 learning commands in it, with the help of which we can add or delete the existing commands in it, as this is a no-code voice module. And the interesting part, all the commands which are customizable can be given in any language that you are comfortable with. Now on the other hand, in the VC02 module, we get a capacity of 150 voice commands, and all of them are completely customizable, but the down part is these commands can only be given in English or Chinese language. So that was all about the capacity of voice commands each module has, and now let me tell you how many GPIOs both the modules got. So in case of the module from DFRobot, then here we are getting the GPIOs only for UART and I2C communication. No other GPIO pins are exposed onto this board, and that directly means that we cannot use this voice module standalone. Rather, we'll need a microcontroller to make any kind of project with this module. On the other side, in the VC02 module, we do get couple of GPIO pins exposed in it, and with the help of which we can make the standalone project with just VC02 module as well. And I even tried that as well. Like here I made a home automation project for controlling lights and speed of the fan by just using the VC02 module and relays, and it worked completely fine. So here AiThinker module definitely got a plus point in it. Okay, so till now we talked enough about the overviews and features of the board, and now let me show you how to use this board and how to provide the voice commands in it. So in case of the DFRobot Voice Module, we don't need any computer or a mobile phone to give the external commands to it. Rather, its built-in firmware got a great self-learning algorithm in which we can just give the commands and it will be learned by the device. So now, let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now I'll teach you how you can give the custom WakeUp command to this device. For that, let's first wake it up. Hello robot.
Yes, I'm here.
Learning wake word.
Learning now. Be quiet. Please aid a wake word to be learned.
Jarvis.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Jarvis.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Jarvis.
Learning failed. Please say it again.
Jarvis.
Okay. Learning completed.
Okay, so that's how you need to give the wake up command 3 times, and now it is successfully learned by this device, and now we can wake this device up with our custom wake up command as well. So let's first wait for this device to go to sleep.
I'm off now.
Okay, so now let's try to wake up with the custom wake up command. Jarvis.
Yes, I'm here.
Perfect. So it is perfectly responding to the custom wake up command, and still the built-in wake up command is still inside the board, just like hello robot. Hello robot.
How can I help?
So now it got 2 wake up commands. One is the fixed one is the custom one. Okay, so that is all about giving the custom wake up command, and now let me teach you how you can give the custom commands for doing the action, like turn on and off the light and stuff like that. Let me show you. So now to give the command words for doing the action, the process is kind of similar as we did for adding the custom wake up command. So let me show you the steps. So first we'll wake it up. Jarvis.
How can I help?
Learning command word.
Learning now. Be quiet. Please learn the command word according to the prompt. Please say the first command to be learned.
Turn on light 1.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Turn on light 1.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Turn on light 1.
Okay. Learn the first command successfully. Please say the second command to be learned.
Turn off light 1.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Turn off light 1.
Learning successful. Please say it again.
Turn off light 1.
Okay. Learn the second command successfully. Please say the third command to be learned.
Exit learning.
Okay. The learning mode is exited.
Okay, so that's how it will ask for one and the other command sequentially, and if you want to exit at any point, you just need to say exit learning and it will stop listening to the commands further on. So now it successfully recorded 2 custom commands in it. So now let's
I'm
test it
off
out.
now.
Jarvis.
How can I help?
Turn on light 1.
Okay.
Turn off light 1.
Done.
So it's that easy to give any kind of custom command to this module, as it is completely standalone. While in case of the VC02 module, well, we need to have a computer, we need to create an account on the AiThinker website, we need to write down the commands, build the firmware and later flash the firmware into the module. So definitely a very lengthy process. But still, here comes to very important and very obvious doubt, which is, first of all, as I've given the commands through my voice, so will it work with other people's voice or not? Secondly, how we can perform action based on our commands, like how we can actually turn on and off the lights. So I will give you the answer of both the questions. So first, let me show you how to connect this DFRobot's offline voice module with an external microcontroller to do some actions, and later I will test out with other people's voice and see the results. Okay, so now let's learn how to use the DF Player offline voice recognition module with a microcontroller, and for testing, I'm using the ESP3228 DevKit V1 board and I have connected both of them according to this connection diagram. Now after doing that, first we need to install one library, and you can get the link of the library from our product page, and when you scroll down you'll get the library's link here. Just click on it and you just need to click on download zip button. After that, go to the Arduino, go to sketch, into include libraries, then into add zip library, and here just select that zip file which you have just downloaded and click on the open button. In my case, I have already downloaded, installed it, so I will cancel this. After doing that, you can go to files, examples, then you can scroll down to DFRobot TF2301Q, and here we have two options, I2C and UART. Now for testing purpose, I'm using it with the UART example code, so I'll click here. Okay, this is the example code, and this example code is compatible with Arduino Uno, ESP8266 and ESP32 as well. Now here they are using the serial 1 port of the ESP32 board, rather I'm using the serial 2 communication pin, so I will delete this line and type serial 2 here. Other than that, we can keep the code as it is, we do not need to change it, but still let me explain what this code all about. So this code first of all build the communication, like the serial communication with the DF voice module. After that, it will play one command with this particular line. Now what is this about? So basically, if we go back to the voice command list from DFRobot, let me just check the ID number 23. So ID number 23 is for the command word retrieve. So what this particular command will do is, whatever response the firmware has for the fixed command retrieve, it will play that particular file. In case of retrieve, whenever we say retrieve, the response comes as OK. Same goes with this. If we put this line anywhere in the code, it will just speak out okay. So that's particular use case of this line. And other than this, we do have other commands as well, through which we can do couple of configuration inside the DF voice module. For example, we can mute this whenever we want. We can set the volume, so volume range is from 1 to 7. So using this line, we can set the volume. We can set the wake time as well, like how long it should stay awake, okay, before going into the sleep mode. And lastly, we can also make it go inside the wake up mode without uttering the wake up command. Like if we push a button, then it should wake up. That kind of thing we can do with the help of this particular line. So these all are configuration provided here. You can try experiment with all this command for different projects. Okay. After that, inside the loop, what we are doing is we are just reading the command ID and it will be printed on the serial monitor. So what happens is each command has a dedicated and unique ID. For example, if we say hello robot, it will send the ID to the microcontroller, and here it will be print. Like whenever we say hello robot, it will just print 2 here. Similarly, whenever we say any custom wake up command, for example Jarvis, it will print 1. And if we speak the first custom command, which was turn on the light, it will print 5, and for second command it will print 6, and so on. So you need to get this chart to take the IDs, and based on the IDs we can do the automation. Okay, so now what I'll do is here I'll type a condition that if CMID is equal to 5, which means whenever I say the first custom command turn on the light, I want to turn on my light. So what I'll do here is, first of all, I will type in the serial monitor as light turned on. Okay, and here I'll also do digital write, and let's say pin number 15 comma high, and here in the setup part I will make pin mode 15 comma output. Perfect. Okay, so whenever I say turn on the light, it will get the ID 5 and it will turn on the light. Similarly, if I say turn off the light, the ID will be this, that means 6. I'll say light turned off and I will make this low. Okay, so that's how you can provide the if condition or switch statement, whatever you are comfortable with, and you can do you can perform the action based on your voice commands. Okay, let's keep this code as it is, and now I'll select the right board and COM port, and I'll straight away hit the upload button. Okay, so code is successfully uploaded. I'll open the serial monitor and let me just press the reset button here.
Done.
Okay, so as you can see, it said done. It's because the response for the ID 23 was done. Mistakenly I have said okay, but it was done. That's why it's it played done. Okay, now it's inside the loop and now it is waiting for the command. So let's try to test it out. Jarvis.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn on light 1.
Okay.
Okay, light turned on. Turn off light 1.
Done.
Okay, so as you can see, it is printing the ID. ID 1 was for the custom wake up command, ID 5 was for the first custom command, which is this, and ID 6 was for the second custom command, which is this. Anyways, so it is perfectly working fine. So now I'll attach a relay with it and let me show you its practical demo by actually controlling an LED. Okay, so here is the relay connected with the GPIO15 of the ESP32 board, and we'll try to control this LED connected with this relay with the help of voice commands. So let's try it out. Jarvis.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn on light 1.
Okay,
Turn off light 1.
doing it.
So that's how you can control anything with the help of your voice command by attaching an external microcontroller with this DF voice module. And now comes the second question, which is, will it work with other people's voices or not? So let me show you the demo for that as well. Okay, so now I will test this module in the voice of Shubh and Maulik. Shubh, you go first.
Jarvis,
Yes, I'm here.
turn on light 1.
Doing it.
Turn off light 1.
Okay, got it.
Perfect. Maulik.
Turn on light 1.
Doing it.
Turn off light 1.
Done.
Okay, so this module works with other people's voice as well. Perfect. Okay, so first of all, we'll do the range test in which we'll test both this module, like from how much distance this models can recognize our voice, okay? And to compare it, I have given the same wake word and the same command word in both the module. Now, as this supports only Chinese wake up command, I have given the Chinese wake up command to this module as well. So let's try to test it from the close proximity. Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, both waked up. Turn on light 1.
Light 1 is turned on for you.
Okay, so that's how both are responding to the same command. And now let's try to move a little far away. Ni hao.
How can I help?
Turn off light 1.
Okay, got it. For you.
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Turn off light 1.
Okay. For you.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Turn on light 1.
Doing it.
Turn off light 1.
Done.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Turn off light 1.
Doing it.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
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 Impressive. So this is the end of my studio premises and can't go beyond it, but at such a long distance as well, the DFRobot module recognizes the wake word at first try, which is impressive. So now let's move on to other tests, and this time in a little bit noisy environment. So right now the audio is around 30-40 decibels, so I'll play some music near to it, and now the decimal value raised up to 60 to 70 decibels. And now let's test in this environment. Ni hao. Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
Yes, I'm here.
Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao. Ni hao.
How can I help?
Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. So in the noisy environment as well, the DFRobot voice module can detect voice commands in first try, while AiThinker's module doesn't pick it up at very first, or we may need to speak 3-4 times to wake it up in the noisy environment. So now it's the time for conclusion part. So if you have watched the video completely till this point, well, you must already have the conclusion that the DFRobot module works better in all the important aspects, that may be multiple language support, the range, and better noise performance. It's really good at all those aspects. But now if I talk about the negative point of this DFRobot module, then one thing which I didn't like is it got only one single custom wake command option. I think there should be at least 3 custom wake up command option available. Now, second point which I do not like in this DFRobot module is giving the custom command words later on. For example, if on the single day I have trained 3 command words already in the DFRobot module, and on the next day if I want to train the 4th command word, I cannot train directly the 4th command word. Rather, I need to start again from the first command word, and then I can go on to the 4th, 5th later on. Okay, so it's really frustrating because each command we need to say 3 times, and just imagine if you want to train the last command, you need to start training it from very beginning. Really frustrating. So I didn't like that particular thing here. And third point, which you can consider negative or positive, I don't know, is the pricing. Yes, the DFRobot module is very expensive as compared to the AiThinker module, almost 3 times expensive. So definitely it's not budget friendly if you are a student. But if you ask me to conclude it in one single line, then if you want to make a project about offline voice recognition to showcase in your school, colleges, in a closed premises, well, definitely AiThinker is the best choice for you. It's budget friendly and it works as well completely fine. But if you want to use the offline voice recognition in the real life, well, I will recommend to go for the DFRobot offline voice recognition module. That is much better at performance. So that will be the single line conclusion of this complete video. Still, I'm open for thoughts. Do share your thoughts about both this module down in the comments of the video, and let's have a fruitful discussion below. And if you like this video, if you like this content, well, do hit the like button. Well, that will really pay off the hard work that we put behind making this kind of content. And if you want to support us, well, you can definitely go on to techiesms.com whenever you need any kind of electronic components, sensors, anything. Just go ahead to techiesms.com, buy anything, and you will be supporting us till. Yeah, that being said, I'm just ending this video here, and now just wait for my next video. Until then, explore, learn, share with me, techiesms.